Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jai here for you. Yes, you have Chef Tolani at the Smith house with her friends celebrating her friend's birthday. What you guys think about her post baby body? Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and enjoy for more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jai here with the latest gist, infotainment, entertainment, all around gist. Yes, we have Chef Tolani, new yummy mommy of life. She's had her recent baby Tife. Yes, guys, what you think about her workout regime? From dumbbells to leg lifts to sit-ups. Yes, guys, she's trying to get that baby body back. Pre-baby body back. Yes, guys, what you think? What do you suggestions you have for her? What you think about her workout routine? Is her body back? To like, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy for more.